everyone, I hope that you all are doing good. In today's video, I will be telling you how you can remember forms of present tense with just one word. Yes, I'm not joking. You can remember the forms of present tense with just one word. How? I will be telling you that. So please watch this video till end because every important detail has been shared in the video that when you can use the forms of present tense, what is usage of present tense, and also I will be checking that how much you got from this video after taking a quiz at last. Like this video and comment if in case of any queries. So let's quickly start. What is the present tense? Come on, start. Okay, no, I'm not wasting your time. Yeah. Okay, I know that you are so busy and you have to know everything. So what is the objective of this video is to give you better understanding of a present tense with some tips and tricks. Yeah. So where we can use present tense? So present tense is used to describe an activity or an action that is undergoing or happening currently. Like what I am doing right now, I am teaching or I am making a video. So this is what I am doing at present, something that we do presently. So what are the forms of present tense? There are 4 forms of present tense: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So simple present, when we use simple present tense, it is used to tell something that we do daily or regularly. Like I brush daily, I eat daily, what she or he does daily, or what you do, we do, or they do daily. That is what is, okay, simple present tense. Okay, I study daily, I go to office daily, or she goes to office daily. This is how. Present continuous tense, when it is used to tell something that we are doing right now. What you are doing right now? You are watching my video. Yes, I am playing football, or she is studying. So something that we are doing right now, that is present continuous tense. Present perfect tense, when it is used to tell something that we have done recently. Yes, like I have completed my homework recently, or I have played football, or I have made a video. Something that you have done recently, then in which where like there we use present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect continuous tense, it is used to tell something that we have been doing continuously for some time. Like I have been playing football for last 1 hour. I have been making a video for last 30 minutes. You have been watching my video for last 3 minutes. So this is what is present perfect continuous tense, something that we are doing or we have been doing for last 1 hour, not are have been doing. Okay. So now I will be revealing the secret one word through which you can remember everything. Yeah, it is very difficult, but through this trick, you will be remembering this for lifetime. Yes, this is my guarantee. Yes, so now you have the secret word is do. So you have to look at the form of a do here. So in simple present, what we do, he does, she does, I do, or you do. Yes, so I do or he does. Here first form of verb is used, simple. Okay. Present continuous tense, what I am doing, or she is doing, or they are doing. Okay, first form of verb plus ing plus ismr. Again, I am doing, she is doing, or they are doing. I do, he does. Simple present, present continuous, what I am doing, or she is doing, or they are doing. Okay, present perfect continuous tense, what I have done, or she has done. Okay, again has or have plus third form of verb. Now you have to look at the form of a do. This change, right? So we have used third form of verb here. Okay, present perfect continuous tense, I have been doing or she has been doing. So has or have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing. Yes, doing is do plus ing. Yeah, you got it. Okay, so now I guess this is very simple to remember for you even. Yeah, this really worked for me as well. Now, step 2 is you can also remember through a story. So, Rita loves to eat an ice cream. Okay. And here I have used simple present tense. And she is going to an ice cream parlor with her dog. Here I have used present continuous tense. But she has kept her dog outside. Here I have used which tense? Present perfect tense. Yes. OMG, she has been continuously eating an ice cream for last 1 hour. Here I have used present perfect continuous tense. Okay, I hope that you are liking my video. Now let's take a quiz. Okay, now let's check how much you got from this video. So, what are they doing? Yeah, I revealed the answer, right? So, they are dancing. Yes. So, here we have used present continuous, something that they are doing right now. Okay. What will be the right fill up? Like you have to fill in the blank. So, what will be the right answer for this? I dash breakfast every day at 7 a.m. So, which form of have will be used here? Yes, I have breakfast every day at 7 a.m. Very good. Now, what is she doing? Yes, again, this is what is present continuous. What is she doing? She is working. Yeah. Now, again, this is you dash your bag under the table. Now, look at the form of leave. What will be the leave? Right form of leave here we can use. So yes, this is present perfect tense, something that you have done. So you have left your bag under the table. This is the right answer. So thank you for watching my video. Please click a like button and subscribe for new videos like this, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Till then, bye, take care. And also you can comment, okay, in case of any queries. So let's meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.